In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a countdown timer to your email templates using Klaviyo. This simple yet effective tool can greatly enhance your email strategy by creating a sense of urgency among your recipients. So, let's dive into the steps and get started. First things first, we're going to head over to the Mail Timers dashboard. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account to access the full range of services. Mail Timers offers countdown timer services specifically designed for emails, providing you with a variety of design options to choose from. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Create Your First Timer. Click on it to start the process of designing a custom timer suited to your needs. On the design page, you'll find several templates for your timer. Choose a design that best fits the style and tone of your email campaign. Once you've made your selection, remember to click on the Save button. This will not only save your progress, but will also make sure that you're ready for the next step. After saving your timer design, look for the Copy Embed Code button and click on it. This will place the embed code onto your clipboard, allowing you to easily paste it into your Klaviyo template later. This embed code is what you will use to display your countdown timer directly in your emails. Now, it's time to switch gears and focus on Klaviyo. Navigate to the Klaviyo homepage and start by clicking on Content in the menu, typically located in the left part of the page. Once you're in the Content section, select Templates to view your existing templates or to create a new one. Here, you'll need to choose a template into which you would like to insert your new countdown timer. Click on the template of your choice to open it. After opening the template, find the option that says Use Template and click on it. This will allow you to make necessary edits. Once you're in editing mode, look on the left sidebar for the text block icon and drag it into your template where you would like the timer to appear. With the text block in place, click on it to reveal its editing options and then choose Source Code. This is where you'll paste that embed code you copied earlier from Mail Timers. First, delete any existing code in the box to ensure there's no conflict, and then paste the timer code. To apply your changes, click on Apply. And there you have it. Your email template is now equipped with a countdown timer, creating an engaging and time-sensitive message for your audience. Well done! Thank you for following along, and I hope this integration enhances your email marketing strategy.